Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Apple Pay is not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to use your Apple Pay on your iPhone but it is not working, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply set up your Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone. So guys, simply set up your Face ID or Touch ID in your iPhone, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings in your device and tap on General, tap on Software Update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and from here you have to scroll it below and you have to go to date and time and turn on the toggle for set automatically from here. Again go back, tap on language and region, and from here scroll it below and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here. So guys, do this and again go back. And now tap on VPN and device management and make sure there is no connected VPN in this device. Again go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, and from here reset your network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone for one time. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down button, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and again sign in your Apple ID in your device. So do this, and after this you have to simply add your Apple Pay again in your device. So guys, do this and again add your Apple Pay, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.